Here we have a work problem on linear inequalities. Okay, let's go to the information. At a school outing, a group decides to go rafting. Each raft holds 8 people and costs $25 for the day. If at least 70 people go rafting, how much money will they need for the rafts? Okay, first let me assume X as the number of people go rafting. Let me write it. Number of people go rafting. Let me finish writing. Okay, there is an information, at least 70 people go rafting. So since X represents the number of people go rafting, this X has to be greater than or equal to 70 because the minimum number of people go rafting is 70. X has to be greater than or equal to 70. And also there is an information that is each raft holds 8 people and costs $25 for the day. So to hire a raft for a day, so we need $25. So like to find the number of rafts required for X number of people, I have to divide the number of people by the number of people that each raft can hold, that is 8. So if I divide both sides by 8, I'll be getting the number of rafts required. So this X over 8 represents the number of raft required. So here X over 8 can be written as this. When I divide the 70 over 8, I'm getting 8.75. So X represents the total number of people go rafting. 8, this is the number of people that one raft can hold. So when I divide the total number of people by the number of people that one raft can hold, I'm getting the total number of rafts. So this X over 8, instead of that, we can write number of rafts. Let me write over here the number of rafts greater than or equal to 8.75. So the number of rafts can never be a decimal value. Always it has to be an integer. So the first integer which is greater than this value 8.75 is 9. So let me write number of rafts. Let me write it. Number of rafts is greater than or equal to 9. So like if at least 70 people go rafting, the minimum number of rafts required is 9. So for one raft, the cost is $25. Then what is the total cost for 9 raft? First, let me write it. For one raft, the cost is $25. So what is the total cost for 9 rafts? Let me write over here. For 9 rafts, we have to multiply the cost for one raft by the number of rafts, that is 9. So 9 times $25. When I multiply them, I'm getting $225. So actually this 9 is the minimum number of rafts, the least number of rafts required for at least 70 people. So we have to find how much money will they need for the rafts. So since this 9 is the minimum number of rafts required, this $225 is the minimum money so the people need to go rafting. So the least amount of money the people, at least 70 people go rafting is $225.